This is your country. You have the brains, and age is on your side. I wish I could come back to your age. Oh, the things I would do, I don't even want to imagine. Age is on your side. You are youthful, you are energetic, you are vibrant, you are intelligent. And we are here telling you, take your rightful place and lead this country. And why not? Whom do you want to lead this country? It is you. But before you do that, you must be alive. For you to lead us, you must be alive. So if you drink this city brews, you'll be dead. Or you lose your eyesight. Before you can lead, you must be healthy. You must take care of your body and the mind. This mind, if you intoxicate it with illicit brews and bangi and drugs, whom will you lead?